I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing focus. Pick the 3 highest impact topics you must learn now. Once chosen, put your phone on Do Not Disturb and set a simple timer for a focused block. This creates urgency and limits drift. Make sure to open a single notebook and write a clear goal. Recall 80% of key facts or complete 3 problems because targets guide effort. Then, start with a quick 5-minute active review to prime memory before deep work. You now enter the heavy lifting. Work in focused blocks of 25 to 50 minutes and take 5 to 10-minute breaks to reset attention. While studying, alternate methods. Summarize aloud, teach an imaginary student, and immediately do practice problems because varied retrieval strengthens understanding. Once done with a block, use brief self-quizzing to force recall and schedule spaced reviews. Test yourself again in 1 hour, then 1 day, then 3 days to cement the learning and reveal gaps. You finish by spending 10 minutes summarizing aloud and doing a short self-quiz to check retention. This final retrieval locks in gains. Make sure to log the 3 most recurring errors, then schedule focused mini-sessions to resolve each one because targeted practice eliminates weak spots. If progress stalls, troubleshoot by changing modality. Watch a brief explainer, draw a diagram, or shorten blocks to 15 to 20 minutes. These adjustments
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.